around Bakersfield. 23 ABC News at 6 starts now.
Good evening. A local child who ingested hand sanitizer at a daycare in Bakersfield last month became intoxicated with alcohol. Now, a new Centers for Disease Control report showing incidents like these are more common than parents think.
23 ABC's Tori Cooper spoke with a local doctor to find out how widespread the issue is here locally and what adults can do to prevent the wrong products from getting in the hands of children.
Tim Jess, the doctor I spoke to, says this is a prevalent issue in our community. She says she sees a number of hand sanitizer consumption cases in her office yearly, but that some simple adjustments can help adults and children avoid a possibly fatal situation. You see them everywhere. Hand sanitizers help clean your hands, but when they get into the wrong hands, they can cause some serious problems, according to Centric Urgent Care doctor Lorraine Rodriguez.
Children are using them, they're ingesting them. And so what happens that when they ingest it, that proof on it can be as much as like drinking alcohol itself.
According to the Department of Social Services, that was the case at the Oaks Children's Center last month. The report shows the daycare was cited with a Type A violation after an elementary school-aged child drank hand sanitizer at the care center and was taken to a hospital shortly after for having alcohol in their system. A case Rodriguez says is not uncommon.
No, I would say it's much more prevalent.
According to Social Services, Type A violations like the hand sanitizer incident pose an immediate or substantial threat to health and safety of individuals, and Rodriguez agrees.
They can have alcohol poisoning. They can have ocular irritation. They can even go into a coma.
Rodriguez says coughing, vomiting, and seizures are other severe reactions that may take place from drinking hand sanitizer, and it can even be a fatal consumption. But she says there are a few things you can do to avoid problems.
Solutions like non-alcoholic hand sanitizers. Don't leave them where your child can just squeeze as much as they can or just squeeze them into the mouth.
In a new report released by the Center for Disease Control, more children may ingest sanitizers because of their appealing scents like apple, vanilla, and citrus. The CDC analyzed data and found more than 60,000 kids were exposed to the alcohol-based sanitizers between 2011 and 2014. But Rodriguez says in order to avoid the problem, it's best to just keep it simple.
Just have them wash their hands with soap and water.
Now again, Rodriguez says that if you do decide to keep hand sanitizers around, make sure they are alcohol-free, unscented, and out of the immediate reach of children. But again, for a look at the entire CDC hand sanitizing report, all you have to do is head to our website, turn to23.com for more information. But for now, in Southwest Bakersfield, I'm Tori Cooper for 23 ABC News, connecting you.